All them vain decisions keep you jaded. You could have found that one, but you won't change.
What's going on, guys? Shouts back with another video. So this video we are going to build a gaming PC under 20,000. So without further ado, let's get started. Before starting the video, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications. A gaming PC under 20,000 is so difficult, but this video we are going to cover that, and you can earn a good standard gaming performance in this build. So let's go to the parts. The most expensive and best part on this build is the processor. For the processor we are using RYZEN 3 2200, which is an APU. If you don't know what an APU is, it's a combination of CPU and GPU, and it's a 4-core 4-thread processor which have a base clock of 3.5 GHz and you can boost to 3.7 GHz. It's have a Radeon Giga 8 graphics. It can handle AAA title games pretty well as a decent performance. It's have a TDP of 65 watts and the price is about 7,850 rupees. So guys, all the best buy links I mentioned about in the video will be in the description. So please purchase through this, that can support our channel. So let's go to the next board, the motherboard. We have two choices in this. You can choose as you want. So the first one is GEGABYTE A320M-S2H, and the second one on the list is ASUS A320MK. So the both have same features and price range. So both of them are AM4 socket micro ATX motherboards. So it supports M.2 cards and 2 DDR4 RAM slot with maximum capacity of 32 GB and PCI Express 16 and 2 PCI 1 slots, and you can also have the VGA DVI and 4 USB 3.0 and 2 USB 2.0 Ethernet and all other audio jacks. So both of them are AMD 2000 ready motherboards. So it also supports the upcoming RYZEN 3rd generation processors also. So the GEGABYTE A320M-S2H cost around 4,290 rupees and ASUS A320MK cost 4,125 rupees. For the next component, we are choosing the RAM. So we need to choose a good RAM for a better performance. So for the RAM we are using CORSAIR VENGEANCE LPX 8GB DDR4 RAM, which is a high-speed RAM which clocked about 3000 MHz. So it's cost around 3,299 rupees. So PSU is the next component. So we are not using any expensive PSU on this. We just want to reduce our price on this. So we are using a Circle 400 watts silver PSU, which is a 400 watt, and I know that you have a query about the power supply, but don't worry guys, it's a good power supply. I'm also using this one and it's cost around 815 rupees only. Again, for the storage I have two choices in this. So first one is an SSD, KINGSTON SSD, which is 240 GB, which cost around 2,239 rupees on Amazon. And the second choice on the list is an hard disk, which is a WD generic 500 GB, which cost 1,575 rupees. So again guys, the SSD can give you a better gaming performance, so I recommend you to use this one. An SSD will makes always a better gaming performance. So again guys, all the best buy links will be in the description, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification, because that will help us to make more videos. So the last component to make our build is a case or a cabinet. So for this we are using CHIPTRONEX X510 RGB. Yeah, as the name, it's an RGB. It's having an RGB strip on the front with a switch controller. It's have a one 3.0 USB connector and two USB 2.0 and other basic buttons like restart, power buttons, audio, LEDs and everything like that. The main attracting feature on this case is full side tempered glass, a magnet test filter at the top of the case, and it will support up to 5 fans. This costs around 2,474 rupees. You can use any other cheap cabinet as you want. So the build is complete, and guys, now let's look the performance or the benchmarks.
All them vain decisions keep you jaded.
So as you can see, the PC is giving a good performance in gaming at this price range. So let's talk about some more things like future upgrading. So for the future upgrading, I will suggest you to add one more RAM as your preference, and you can upgrade the PS, and also you can add a GPU like 1050 or 1050 Ti. So again guys, thanks anyway for watching this video. So please comment down below the next build you want to see. So that's it for this video. This is Shabazz, and see you in my next video. Have a nice and happy PC build.
Aren't you glad to meet me?